I unflag this, guys. And now I will. See, I just done this one. Like this. Then I'm going to put it inside. First, let I check is working or not. No. 1 minute, guys. Will it be here? I'll flag that. It's working, guys. It's working. See, can you see it? I'm so happy. I'm damn happy, very happy. So, guys, we will connect this one, okay? I'll off the connection again. I'm putting again this one, guys. See, guys, it's fixed. Okay, it's fixed that. And now we're going to fix this one too. Okay. I fixed, guys. I fixed by the grace of God. Praise God. I buy this thing from the Amozen, from the Indian Amozen thing. So, praise God, guys. I done so. Praise God. I see the light now. Oh, what happened? Light gone? Yes, light is gone. That's all. But we done our work.